Hello, my friends. I'm back. I'm back from Chicago. I've actually been back for a couple days now, and I'm ready to fill you in on what happened. Yeah. First, let's get a little moisture on these lips. I like to start that way. We're going to start with the e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip. Wait, what is it? Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. Holding upside down. My mirror. Just so you guys don't have to look at my dry lips the whole time. Okay, we're gonna start just getting into it. Of course, we're gonna use our favorite moisturizer, the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro whipped cream. So the trip was good. It was absolutely freezing cold the night that we got in. It was so windy. I almost turned around and went home. I'm just kidding. But it was so windy, like our landing was a little bumpy because it was so windy, and then we got there and it's just that like cold that just like chills you to the bone. Like people I know people say that, but it is so true with the humidity and the wind. I was just like, oh my god, so bad. Elf's untouchable. We know this. We know this already, tried and true. I need a new one. 10 minutes of me just struggling with makeup. What else is new? Anyway, it was very cold, but I stayed with my director, which was lovely. I don't know if I told you guys that I was going to stay with my director, but she was lovely. She like had little waters next to my bed every night. I like woke up and had like a yogurt bar with like pistachios and almonds and honey and granola, and like it was so cute. And she'd be like, "What would you like? Would you like a cappuccino or would you like a latte?" Okay, now we're going to put on the One Size Secured the Sweat mattifying primer. I just take a little bit, press it in between my fingers, and then press where I get oily. And then I'll take the excess and kind of rub it all over. Do you guys like my mustache, by the way? I know it's hard to tell. I need to either clean up the bottom or just get rid of it. My hair's growing in. I'm gonna need a new updated haircut next week, but we're just letting it grow. We're sticking with it, honey. The whole reason that I was there was for an awards luncheon and then our holiday party. So the awards luncheon, so I was in the office. So I flew in Wednesday night, and then I was in the office on Thursday, and that's when the awards luncheon was. I had a ton of meetings, which my big meeting was that day, which I'll get into in a second, and then the holiday party was that night. So the holiday party was super, super fun. Let me get some foundation on. We're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Buff Bisque. I've really been liking this lately. It's like not too heavy. It just kind of looks like another skin, but like just kind of like perfects you. So I've been kind of gravitating towards it a lot. And it's like $7, I think, something like that. Like, hello, love it. We're gonna use our e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend this out. I probably need to clean this. So anyway, so the holiday party, I'll come back to my big meeting because that's like the big finisher, right? So the holiday party was super fun. We brought like espresso martini mix and everybody was there, and I was running around talking to everybody in Chicago and just having so much fun. People that I don't get to see all the time, like people in the beginning with the company, I was going out to Chicago like every month or so. And so I would see these people all the time. And then, like, it's kind of crazy in this day and age because you can do a lot of things over Zoom. And so I fought really hard because, like, to travel was really hard on me because I was one of the only brokers here in Denver. And so leaving for a couple days messed up my flow for getting deals done, right? Because I'm out of town, I can't show all that stuff. So I got to hang out with people that I hadn't gotten to see in a while. Like the last time that I was in Chicago was the last holiday party. So that was super fun. It was super fun. And then it was a quick trip. Like I flew out the next day. Our flight got delayed an hour, but that's fine. The flight was super smooth on the way back. And then landed and got back to 60-degree Denver weather, which the sun was shining. It was so warm. Like every time I travel outside of Denver, I'm just like, oh, Denver is home. I love it so much. We're going to get a little bronzer on our face because we're looking a little washed out. We're going to use the Milani Cheek Kiss in Hey Honey 110. It's a great dupe for I think, for the Fenty Beauty cream bronzer. We're going to use our e.l.f. Small Stipple to just do a little bronzer on the skin here. Do you always do? I do that. I like, even though it's a cream, I'm so used to just knocking off the excess. My meeting. So I'm basically renegotiating my contract for being a manager, and I think it went really well. Like we were in there for 2 hours. Basically, just sat them down and told them, like, I went through everything that I'm doing right now that I'm currently working on, and it took 2 hours to get through that. And they're like, "Oh, you're like doing a lot." And I'm like, "Yeah, I am." Like, I can't believe you guys haven't like realized this, you know? I mean, I get it. Like, you're far away in Chicago, like, you're kind of removed, but you got to pay me more. So, of course, there was no like end resolution. So, if that's what you're hoping for, like, of course, there was no end resolution. We talked a little bit about compensation and what I would like. And they said that they had to talk about it, of course. So, we'll see what they come back with, you know? I need to do a little nose bronzing. I just want to set some of this product down. So, I'm going to use a Morphe Flat Define brush. This is a flat definer for like eyeshadow, but I just want to, hopefully it's clean. I just want to pick up just a little bit of product, and I just want to set it down on my nose, like right where I want it, and then I'm going to blend it out. See, stripes. Okay, I'm going to take this, I'm just going to flick up and then take it into the crease. I like this brush, I like the size of it, but it is a little pokey. So if you guys have a recommendation for a small stipple, let me know. Like, as I'm like pushing down, it's like, it's a little pokey. It's a little pokey. Okay. Okay, I feel like we just need like a tiny touch of concealer. So let me see what concealer I have. I would like a brightening concealer. I don't know how much brighter this is gonna be. Oh, this is brighter. So we're gonna use the Tarte Shaped Tape Radiant. This is the mini, so this is obviously not what the big one looks like, but I just want just a touch of extra coverage under the eyes. Just a little dab. And a little brightening down the nose and in the center. And we're gonna use a brightening powder. Okay, I'm gonna use the Morphe M173 brush. This I think this is a concealer brush to kind of tap this all out. So no final resolution, but that's fine. At least it was a good meeting. They heard me out. Like, that's all I really want in this life, is like to be heard, right? So they heard me out. We'll see what they get back to me on compensation. It's the middle of December right now. So I told them, please, can we please have this wrapped up by the end of the year? They're like, oh yeah, absolutely. And I'm like, okay. It was a nice brightening moment. It's exactly what I wanted. That's that. I'm sorry it's not juicier for you. I would love for it to be juicy, but that's it. In other news, does anybody watch Real Housewives of Salt Lake City? I am loving this season. I don't know why. I feel like Angie is so good right now. Like, she's relaxed and she's like doing her thing. I feel like she tried too hard in her first season. I think last season was her first season. Now I just feel like she's like relaxed and in her own element. And I also did not like Bronwyn in the beginning. Now I really like Bronwyn. Like, I like her quirky personality. Loving it. Those are the two that are like really sticking out in my head. Now we're going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HG loose powder, and we're just going to set and brighten some areas. I need a different brush. We're going to use my favorite Sigma F64 Soft Blend Concealer. This rounded tip. This comes with a nice little net. So we're just going to pounce in there, tap off the excess, and then brighten under the eye. I'm going to take a little. This is a very mattifying powder, so you have to use it very sparingly, but I like it because we are brightening. Love. Actually liking the way this is looking, but I do feel like we just need to kind of clean up the bronzer a little bit with a little bit of powder. So I'm just going to do a light dusting with the Almay loose finishing powder in the shade light medium. And I'm taking the Sonia Kashuk point blush brush just so that it really dusts everything just lightly. And then I just want to kind of clean up my contour. So I'm brushing up to kind of clean up my contour. I'm liking that. I feel like maybe we just need just a touch more bronzer. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush, and you're gonna laugh. I broke this powder, which is my ultimate fear in life, is breaking a powder, especially expensive one. This one is not expensive. This is the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder in Lighter Skin. I broke this, so we're just going to get in there because I just want like a little bit of deepening. Honestly, I don't know why I'm keeping this. I probably need to get rid of it. Oh, it smells so good. I forgot how good this smells. It smells just like coconut vacation dreams. Not sure if that did much, but I think I like it. Let's make this look a little bronzier, a little creamier. I kind of put it all over my face. I just look really bronzy. Go back in. Try to brighten under the eyes just a little bit. All right, I think that kind of completes the look. One other thing that I want to talk to you guys about. Do we like scary movies? First of all, I like scary movies. Smile 2. Have we seen Smile 2 yet? I would say this is one of my top 3 scariest movies and best movies. I just recently watched it again with my friend on Friday night. Let me tell you, it scared me just as much because the first time I saw it, it was in theaters. Talk about jump scares, and I get so into scary movies that I get scared. Like, I haven't thrown my popcorn yet, but I'm really worried about throwing my popcorn. Anyway, very good movie, very scary movie, way better than the first one. The first one was good. This one is like 10 times as good. And I just wanted to give you that little tidbit if you like scary movies. I know this isn't really like the time of year for that, but if you like scary movies, go check it out for sure. It's free on Paramount Plus if you have that right now. It sounded like an ad, but it's not. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, my Chicago trip, all that kind of stuff through the end of the year. I'm trying to stay consistent with my Monday uploads, so here we are. Be sure to check out all of my current makeup favorites linked in the description box down below. And yes, thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.